Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss about what is the dialog box and use of the dialog box. Also, what is the use of file dialog box. First, see what is the dialog box. AWT supports the special window class, that is dialog class, and that we can use to create a dialog boxes. Dialog control represents a top level window with a title and border used to take some form of input from the user. A dialog box is created by extending a user-defined class with built-in class, that is dialog. The dialog box does not have a maximize and minimize button. As compared to the frame have a minimize and maximize buttons, but the dialog box does not have any minimize or maximize button. And a dialog box is created by extending the user-defined class with the built-in class, that is a dialog. For example, see here. The class dialog box extends dialog. Class dialog box extends dialog. Dialog box is in a class extends built-in class, that is a dialog. And in that, write down our code. This is an example of the how to define a class. Now next, see the constructors of the dialog box. There are two constructors of the dialog box. First, dialog having two parameters. First is frame parent window object and second parameter is boolean visibility. First parameter is frame parent window object. It is nothing but the object of the frame, and second parameter is boolean visibility. It is nothing but the true or false. The value is in a true or false. If it is true, then dialog box is displayed, that is visible, and if it is false, it is dialog box is invisible. So first constructor is dialog, parameter is frame parent window object, comma boolean visibility. The second constructor is dialog having three parameters. First, frame parent window object. It is nothing but the object of the frame. Second parameter is string title. It is nothing but the title of the dialog box. Means that string title is give title onto our dialog box window. And third parameter is boolean visibility. The value of boolean visibility is in a true or false. These two are the constructors of the dialog box. Now next, see the methods of the dialog box. There are four methods of the dialog box. First method is void set title string title. The set title method is used to set the title of the dialog box. Means set title is used to set the title of the dialog box. Second method is void set size having parameter int width and int height. So set size method is used to set the size of the dialog box. Means height and width of the dialog box is set by using the set size method. Third method is set visible. Void set visible, parameter is boolean visible. So set visible method makes the dialog box visible or invisible. Here boolean visible, the value of boolean visible is true or false. If it is true, then dialog box is visible. If it is false, then dialog box is invisible. So simply set visible method is used to make the dialog box visible or invisible. The fourth method is string dispose. The dispose method is used to free all the system resources associated with the dialog box object. Means dispose method simply frees all the resources associated with the dialog box object. These four method of the dialog box: set title, set size, set visible and dispose. Now next, see the Moodle and Moodle-less dialog window. First, see what is the Moodle dialog box. A Moodle dialog box is one that user must first close in order to have access of any other framed window or dialog box of the same application. And Moodle-less dialog box means a dialog box is referred to as a Moodle-less if the user does not have to close in it order to continue using the application that owns the dialog box. Now see one example of the dialog box. See here, this is an example of the dialog box. First, import the two packages, import java.awt.star and import java.awt.event.star. The event package is used to perform actions. In event package, all the classes of the performing actions are present. Now next, create a class, public class dialog example. In that, first create object of the dialog D is an object of the dialog. Then create a constructor dialog example. In that, first create a frame f is equal to new frame. After that, D is nothing but the object of the dialog. D is equal to new dialog. F, it is an object of frame object. Second is the dialog example. It is the string that displayed onto the dialog window name, and the boolean visibility is true. This is the constructor of the dialog box having three parameters. First is the object of the frame, second is a string, and third parameter is boolean visibility. After that, set layout method is used to set the layout of the window. Here we use the flow layout. After that, create a button B is equal to new button, and the string is OK. It is nothing but the name of the button. After that, here we use the action listener event. So when you click on a button in OK button, this method is executed. Here we use add action listener, b.add-action-listener, new action-listener. In that, action performed method is there, public void action performed action event E. In that, take a action like dialog example.d.set visible false. Set visible method is used to visible or invisible the window or frame. So here pass the false, that is invisible. When you click on a OK button, the dialog box is automatically closed, because of here we use the boolean visibility mode is false. Means the action is performed when you click on a OK button, that action will be executed. In that, we pass the set visible method false, so the dialog box window is closed after executing this function. After that, here create a label L1 is equal to new label. The label string is click button to continue. This label displayed onto the dialog box. After that, add method is used to add the label onto the dialog window. So here use the object of the dialog d.add L1, d.add B. B is object of the button. Set the size using the set size of the dialog box. So here set size method is used to set the size of the dialog box. Height and width. 300 is an height and 300 is a width of the dialog box. After that, we use the set visible method. D is an object of the dialog box dot set visible. The value is true. It is a boolean value. So set visible method is used to visible or invisible the dialog box. Here we use the true, so it is visible to the user. After that, in main method, simply call the dialog box example method. When you run the code, your program is executed starting in the main. So first dialog example is executed. The pointer goes to the here, and that code will be executed. Now run the code. First compile the code. Javac program name dialog example.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. Java dialog example. See here, this is the output of the dialog example. This window is nothing but the dialog window. The dialog window does not have any maximize or minimize button. Only close button is there, and frame having minimize, maximize button. So this is the dialog box. Click button to continue. It is the label. In dialog box, we can add the label, button or any control. After clicking on OK button, it closes the dialog box, because here we gives the option like dialog box D set visible false. So when click on a OK button, the click event is performed, that is add action listener, new action listener. In that action performed method is run, and here we gives the set visible false. So when you click on a OK button, the dialog window is closed. See here, D is equal to new dialog, F it is object of the frame, F dialog box example. It is the string or nothing but the name of the dialog box, dialog example. See here, the dialog box name is dialog example, and true is the boolean visibility. The frame is associated with the dialog box here. Then set layout is used to set the layout of the window. Button is created, and using add method it added into the dialog box. Here we use the D, that is object of the dialog box, D dot add B. So the button is added into the dialog box window. This is the dialog box window, and OK and label is added into the dialog box. So here click event is performed. When you click on OK button, the dialog example.d set visible false, that action will be performed in the action performed method. See, when click on OK, the dialog box is automatically closed, because of here we use the visibility mode false. If the visibility method is true or value is true, then we compile again. See what is the output after set visible true. Javac program name dialog example.java. It is successfully compiled. Then Java program name dialog example. See here, when clicking on OK button, the window is not closed. Keep as it is, because here set visible method is true. It is nothing but the visible or invisible the dialog box. If it is true, then dialog box is not closed, and if it is false, then when click on a OK button, the dialog box is closed. This is the output of the dialog box or sample program of the dialog box. Now next, see the file dialog box. See what is the file dialog box. File dialog box, it is a class that is used to display a dialog window from which user can select a file. Means the dialog control that is file dialog control, shows the dialog box to select a file. For selecting a file, the file dialog box is used to show the dialog box, that is file dialog box. So file dialog box, it is a class for displaying a dialog window from which user can select a file. Now see the constructors of the file dialog box. There are 6 constructors of the file dialog box. First constructor, file dialog, having parameter dialog parent. This constructor creates a file dialog object for loading a file. Next constructor is file dialog parameter is dialog parent and string title. This constructor creates a file dialog object with the specified title for loading a file. The string title is nothing but the title of the file dialog box window. The third constructor is file dialog, having 3 parameters: dialog parent, string title and int mode. This constructor creates a file dialog object with the specified title for the loading or saving a file. Means for loading and saving a file, this constructor creates the file object, that is file dialog object. The fourth constructor is the file dialog. The parameter is frame parent. This constructor creates a file dialog object for loading a file. The fifth constructor is file dialog. Parameter is frame parent and string title. This constructor creates a file dialog object with the specified title for loading a file. And sixth constructor is file dialog, frame parent, parameter is frame parent, string title and int mode. This constructor creates a file dialog object with the specified title for loading a or saving a file. These 6 are the constructors of the file dialog. Now see methods of the file dialog box. There are 6 methods of the file dialog box. First method is string get file. So the get file method is used to get the selected file of this file dialog. Means simply get or return the selected file of the file dialog. Get file method is used. Second method is int get mode. The get mode method is used to indicate whether the file dialog box is for loading from a file or for saving a file. Means it simply check the mode of the file dialog box. It indicates whether the file of dialog box is loading from the file or saving to a file. The third method is void set directory. Parameter is string dir. So set directory method sets the directory of this file dialog box to be specified directory. Means set directory method sets the directory of the file dialog window to be specified directory. The fourth method is void set file. The parameter is string file. The set file method sets the selected file for the dialog window to be specified file. So set file method is used to set a file to specified file that assigned in a string file as a parameter. Fifth method is void set mode. Parameter is int mode. This method is used to set the mode of the file dialog. And sixth method is string get directory. This method is used to get the directory of the file dialog or return the directory of the file dialog. These 6 methods of the file dialog. Now see one example of the file dialog. See here, this is an example of the file dialog. First import the 2 packages, import java.awt.start and import java.awt.event. Here we use the event handling methods that is action performed. So event package is used. Now next, create a class, public class file dialog demo. In main method, create an object of the dialog frame. Frame is equal to new dialog frame dialog. After that, set size method is used to set the size of the frame. Frame dot add window listener, new window adapter. For performing the window related functions, window adapter is used. So here we use the method window closing. This method is used to close the frame window, and for that event package is used. System.exit. When you press on a close button onto the frame window, then window automatically closed using window closing method. Here set visible method is used to visible the frame. The boolean value is true. After that, create a class dialog frame, extends frame, implements action listener. Here perform a action, so we use the action listener interface. In that, here create a menu M1, create a one menu bar MB1, and menu item object is MI1 and MI2. Create a label L1. Also create a file dialog object is file and upload, and also create a dialog object is dialog. Here we use file dialog and dialog. Then create a constructor, that is a dialog frame, and parameter is string title. After that, super in bracket title dialog, it is an object of the dialog, is equal to new dialog having 4 parameter. First is this, that is a current program or current page, comma, it is nothing but the string or name of the dialog box, upload files. The visibility mode is false, and the next value is null. L1 is equal to new label. L1 is nothing but the object of the label, is equal to new label, and using add method add the label, add L1. After that, MB1 is equal to new menu bar. MB1 is nothing but the object of the menu bar, is equal to new menu bar. M1, it is object of the menu. M1 is equal to new menu file. So MI1 is equal to new menu item open file, and MI2 is equal to new menu item upload file. These two are the menu items. MI1 is the object of the menu item 1, and MI2 is object of the menu item 2. After that, using add method, you add the menu item into the menu. M1 is the menu object, so MI1 is added into the M1, that is menu item add into the menu. Same for menu item 2, add into the menu. Menu name is a file, and 2 item is added into the menu, that is file, open file and upload file. After that, here we use the add action listener, means when you click on an open file or upload file, particular action is performed. Mi1.add action listener this, Mi2.add action listener this. After that, mb1.add m1, means main menu add into the menu bar. Menu object is m1 and menu bar object is mb1. So here add the menu into the menu bar. After that, set menu bar is used to set the menu bar. menu bar, set menu bar MB1, object of the menu bar. After that, file, it is nothing but the file dialog, is equal to new file dialog, this comma name of the file window, file dialog. Same for the upload, upload is nothing but the file dialog object, is equal to new file dialog, parameter is dialog comma upload file, it is nothing but the name of the file dialog. After that, in action performed method, public void action performed action event AE, in that if AE dot get source is equal to mi1, mi1 is nothing but the menu item 1. When we click on a menu item 1, that is open file, then check the condition and it is equal to open file, then if statement is executed. In that, file dot set visible true and L1 dot set text, selected text plus file get file. Get file is used to get the particular selected file of the file dialog, and set text method is used to set the text. So here when we click on open file, the selected file is assigned into the set text, and get file method is simply returns the selected file of the dialog box, that is file dialog box. After that, in else method, if for the second condition, when you click on a second menu item, that is upload file, then this if statement is executed. In that, upload dot set visible true. Now save the code, file dialog demo.java. After that, run the code. First compile the code, javac program name file demo .java, file dialog demo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code, java program name file dialog demo. See here, this is an output of the file dialog demo. See here, this is the dialog box, file dialog box. When you click on a file, it is a menu, and this is the menu bar. In that menu bar, one menu is added, that is a file, and in file, two menu item is there, open file and upload file. So when you click on a open file, here open file dialog is open, means when you click on a open file, then click event is performed, and in that, see here, get source is equal to mi1. mi1 is nothing but the menu item 1, open file. That condition is executed because it is this condition is true. Then file dot set visible true and set text your selected plus file dot get file, means here we select any one file. See here, this text is displayed onto the screen. You are selected D3, D4, D5 GAD dot Excel sheet. So selected particular file name displayed onto the file dialog window. Same for upload file. When you click on upload file, the upload file is displayed onto the window. So for upload, the string is upload file. So see here, the name of the window is upload file. This is an example of the file dialog. So simply a file dialog is used to show the dialog box to select a file. Here our first chapter is completed.